Hi guys and welcome to my channel. My name is Suveksha Singh and I hope all of you people are doing great today. So for my today's video, I have decided to do the most watched video on my channel, which is the recommendations video for the Nykaa sale. So as you guys must be knowing, all the makeup fanatics just like me, that the Navratri sale on Nykaa is going on and it's from the 1st to the 10th of October. So I decided to make this video which is going to make your life very easier. So if you guys want to see what are my recommendations for the Nykaa sale, please keep on watching this video. Now that I have a lot of products to actually recommend for you guys, I'm going to show you all the things in a jiffy because I don't want this video to be too long. I will be mentioning all the sale prices right down here with the name of the products, so I would not be mentioning the prices. The first two had to be from Maybelline because it's one of the best drugstore brands. Also, this is the Super Stay, you guys can see, and this is the Matte Poreless Fit Me one. I'm in the shade 128 in both of them. I would be mentioning the discounted rate right here. So I'm gonna tell you guys about 3 pros about each of the products that I really want you to buy, is because it's very buildable, it has great coverage. These foundations are really good for oily skin and combination, but for dry skin I would say no, because these are completely matte and the coverage is completely full in this one. And over here the Fit Me one, you can easily build it up, so it's medium to full coverage. Guys, this is a new launch from Faces Canada, the Ultra M Pro Second Skin Foundation. This is the mini size. This is how the packaging looks. It's a bottle, like the drop bottle, like you used to get for the NYX drop control foundation. And I was sent this foundation by Faces Canada for their launch as a PR, and I was sent the shade 022 medium natural, and this shade actually just fits me really well. So one of the pros I would be saying, guys, is that it's a newly launched one. The texture is very nice. You guys can see I've applied most of the products that I'm showing today in the recommendations video. So you guys can see this is how the foundation looks on my skin. It's very lightweight, but it's a buildable foundation, so it has very sheer coverage, so you'll have to build it up if you want to, or you can use a full coverage concealer. And the shades are really easy to choose from because the PR was sent to me. I had to choose my shade online itself, and I think this suits me perfectly. You guys can see one of them is the pack one. This is the flat fluffy brush. It's very dense, and this is how it looks like, guys. So this one was for 500 rupees when I bought it, and this is the only brush that I use for my foundation blending. And once this gets dirty, I shift to this one. This is again a dense fluffy brush, and it has a very nice coverage, and this is from Ruby's Organic. It is a dual ended brush. It has a blush side, so you can do your blush from this angle, and from here you can do your foundation. As you guys must be knowing, if you guys really watch my videos since a really long time, Laneige lip sleeping mask has to be in all of my recommendations and hauls. So this is the one that I bought, I guess, long back. It's been around 8-9 months or so, and this is something that I keep on using, because if you guys are a lover like me for matte lipsticks, you need to have a really nice lip balm. And Laneige has a discount going on right now, so I'm showing you guys all the products which are on discount, so you can get your hands on these. Moisture Surge that I bought during the Nykaa sale, and this was a combo that I got with a matte lipstick, probably a mini one. And the Moisture Surge has been doing really good things to my skin, and this is how much is left in the bottle now. This is the mini one, very replenishing. It moisturizes my dry skin to another level. And the third pro I would say is that it's very nice because little quantity goes a really long. Guys, moving on to blushes. So the first one has to be this K Beauty blush, and this is in the shade Mild Berry. This is how the pan looks from inside. It's very sleek. So the first pro has to be, it lasts for a really long time. Being a matte blush, it stays on your cheeks for 2-3 hours easily. Then you have to reapply it. Second of all, the shade is beautiful for medium to dusky skin tones, so they have a variety of shades for all Indian skin tones. And the third point has to be that on sale you will get it at a very nice price. And I think the blush is very nicely milled. The Benetint, this is my holy grail. It is a little pricier, but one of the pros will be during winters in Delhi especially, cream and tint blushes really make you look very natural, and that is what I like to go for. You can apply this without makeup. It's very long lasting, doesn't budge off from your face, and also the mini size is very good to travel with. This is the Melon shade from Flower Beauty Blush Bomb. Has to be my go-to since a year now. Has a very nice formulation, highly pigmented, stays on my cheeks for 8 hours straight up, which I absolutely love about it. Well, this is the only palette recommendation that I have for you people during this sale time. This is the Rose Gold palette from Huda Beauty, and this is how it looks from the inside. It's a very pricey eyeshadow palette, but hear me out here. Why I'm recommending this is that I have used a lot of palettes till now actually, and this one has to be my go-to. It has all the warm tones, the mattes, the shimmers, and everything just goes so well. Today also I have applied this palette itself on my eyeshadows. I absolutely love. There is no fallout for the glitter eyeshadows also. For concealer guys, today I do not have the Too Faced one. I have this LA Girl Pro Conceal, which is very nice. It's a drugstore concealer, and this probably doesn't have a sale going on. LA Girl doesn't have any sales on their concealer because they are very like price friendly. Also, the 3 pros for this concealer has to be the solid coverage. I only apply this concealer on most days, no foundation, nothing on my face, and people cannot judge if I'm having a foundation on or not. The second one, it easily hides your pigmentation and your dark spots. And the third one has to be little goes a very long way. Very little of this concealer can easily do the job for your whole face. So the next thing that I have to recommend you guys today is the Flower Beauty Trio highlighter palette. This is for 1350 or something, but on sale you will get it for 20% off, and it has all the 3 shades that a Indian skin tone girl might need, and it's a multi-purpose palette. I would say you can use these highlighter as a highlight, you can use it as a eyeshadow, and it's very beautiful. Like literally it looks so stunning on your eyelids as well as an eyeshadow. It has the gold, it has the pinks, and it has the silver one, which is great for medium to darker skin tones. A lot of lipsticks to show you guys today because lipsticks are something that I've been loving at the moment a lot. So this is how the duo I've already showed you guys in my previous hauls. So I would recommend you guys to buy from Smashbox any of these shades, because the first pro has to be they are highly pigmented, will last you because these are matte lipsticks for 9 hours straight up without any touch-ups. And the third is they have beautiful shades which are very different from the various brands and range that you get. So my favorite and go-to has to be this driver's seat. I have the full size, and also guys, I believe for 2100 and above, if you shop from Smashbox, you will get a 5-piece gift set also, which is amazing. I love freebies and I'm sure everyone does. So get your hands on driver's seat. Gulabe is this. I've applied it on my lips today for you guys to have a closer and a better look. And Gulabe is one of my favorites and go-tos. It's very good for all Indian skin tones. Also, if you want a red, Smashbox has an amazing red shade called Boss, which was launched by Lily Singh. You guys have the money for it, 2200 rupees. Spend on this and you will not regret it. I got my hands on the Jeffree Star lipsticks 3 years back. These both have dried down. The 2 shades that I have with me is that I have guys for you people, and I have run out of both of them. I have to repurchase it again. There is no sale on. These are matte, but they feel so comfortable on your lips. They are very long lasting, extremely beautiful on your lips, and the wand is very easy to actually apply the lipstick on. And you guys can see this is how it looks. It's very different from the shades that you might have in your vanity. It's Rimmel lipstick, and this is in the shade Love Bite. It's very affordable, and it's a proper true brown color, and I absolutely love how pigmented this is. It's a very unique color, and altogether the formulation is amazing. I would just recommend you guys to buy any color from Lime Crime, and these are the 3 lipsticks that I have from Lime Crime. One of them is which is the Wet Cherry Gloss in the shade Bitter Cherry, and Lime Crime has 10-20% off, so you will get these lipsticks for 1500 or so, which is a nice deal, I believe. This is the shade Lime Crime Cindy, and it's a very nice like a brown orange undertone shade. and this is the shade the Lime Crime Plushies in the shade Butterscotch. Again, a very nice orange brick tone. And I have used these lipsticks multiple times in my videos, so you guys can see the swatches over there. So with that, we come to an end to these recommendations, and I hope these can be of real good use to you guys. And if you buy any of these products, please let me know how they work out for you, and I hope this was helpful for you people. With that, I will see you in my next video. Please be positive, keep sharing love, and please be safe, guys. Bye guys.